ask you, so what, your celebrations, do you plan it, or the celebration it just comes naturally?
It comes naturally. We go down with us at Mediama. If a goal is being scored, you see the last time people saw me dancing, and it came as much excitement because what we were doing was what was coming, and that I cannot even control my.
But is it that you're a good dancer already, or you have been dancing for years?
Oh yeah. Seriously, Division 2, Division 1. Those who know HAMZA, when I score goal, you see me jubilating with my players, and that's the reaction that for me.
I'm interested. Oh. Is there a dancing background somewhere?
Oh no, there's no dancing background. There's no dancing background. Just that to the stage. But you see, people were saying I should continue dancing because it makes them happy, especially the supporters. Most of our board members too were even happier seeing me doing that, and others too were having problems to the play because when you look at the you see Brian just dive and people will be shouting and the journalists will be hyping on that. That's my own sign of also creating an image.
The HAMZA dance.
Yeah.